Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. Working harder and smarter can enhance your performance, productivity, as well as your overall satisfaction with the completion of the task. However, most people are unaware of how to actually incorporate strategies of working harder and smarter in their work ethic, and how to do so is what we're going to be talking about today. Let's have a look at some of the ways in which you can work both harder and smarter. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Number 5. Paste stuff from your head to a computer or a device. In the world of business, there may be a whole lot of things that one might need to get done, and it wouldn't be irregular for you to feel stressed out, not because of the difficulty of a task or tasks, but because of the sheer number of tasks you would need to be done with. It's no lie that people have lives outside of work, and everyone's surely been through one of those times when they were burdened under the fact that they had to juggle their casual lives with their lives at work. And one of the most efficient ways to tackle this problem is to get a pen and paper and make an intricate schedule rather than just keeping it all in your head. You can also make a schedule digitally with the aid of applications that are created just for the sole purpose. This method is very helpful in relieving someone who is swamped with stress and worries about catching deadlines, as by this way, they can easily keep track of what to do and when to do it, instead of being pressed under procrastination and ending up missing tasks or not completing any whatsoever. Number 4. Take small breaks. We know that it's pretty hard to be aware of what's going on around you while sitting at a desk for many hours straight and being immersed in work. Therefore, it's also pretty easy for you to lose focus on what you're doing and mess it up. In order to prevent such a thing from happening, what you should do is take a quick break from whatever it is that you might be doing and going for a quick jog, watching a funny video, listening to relaxing music, or even going down for 30 push-ups, etc. Stuff like this will soft reset your brain and get you back in working mode and pull you out of the void of stress and anxiety. One way to put this strategy to use is to work on your task with the utmost concentration for about 25 minutes and then take a quick 5-minute break so you can do activities that are refreshing for the mind. Number 3. Plan your days. If you want to lighten your head, planning your days is a good way to do that. Suppose you have 5 meetings that you need to catch up with throughout the day, right? You would have to brace yourself for each one along with working in between them. What you can do is use some sort of a calendar, it being digital or physical, doesn't really matter, and plan ahead for the day hour by hour and assign a time limit for all the things that you have to do. Number 2. Use standing desks, or the hilarious solution. One more time-saving way to go about your tasks and reduce the need for constant breaks is to use a standing desk. It may not look like it, but it's actually less detrimental to your back than sitting on a chair and working, as you'll be moving a lot more using a standing desk. You'll also feel less tired. Another extreme version of the previous method is to put a treadmill right under your desk. Even though it kind of sounds ridiculous, it's pretty common among successful people, and you might even have heard about it before if you're fond of following successful people for taking inspiration from them. Number 1. Exercise. To improve the efficiency you display in work for good, keeping your body healthy and energized through exercising is a must. Working out daily is a massive plus for your everyday work life. If you don't have access to a gym, you can just do some of the various exercises that don't require equipment, such as push-ups, squats, jumping jacks, and things like that. You know what they say, having a healthy body is the key to having a healthy mind. Regardless of your profession, there's usually aren't enough hours for you to wrap everything up, but these were some of the ways that you could solve that issue, which is by going about things strategically and working harder and smarter. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll be seeing you guys in the next one, so until then, take care and goodbye.